Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube app on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure everything is ready before moving forward, as you'll need your system to be completely responsive for the installation process to work smoothly. Once your PC is up and running, open your preferred web browser. This could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any browser you typically use. In the address bar at the top of your browser window, type youtube.com and press enter. This will take you directly to YouTube's main page, where you can access all your favorite videos and channels. Now, here's where the installation process begins. Direct your attention to the right corner of your address bar. You should notice a small download icon appearing there. This icon is YouTube's progressive web app installer, and it allows you to install YouTube as a standalone application on your Windows 11 system. The benefit of this is that you'll have YouTube running as its own app rather than just a browser tab, giving you a more streamlined and focused viewing experience. Go ahead and click on that download icon. Once you do, a small prompt window will pop up on your screen. This window is asking for your confirmation to install the YouTube app on your computer. You'll see a button labeled Install. Click on this button to proceed with the installation. The app will then begin installing itself onto your Windows 11 system, and this should only take a few moments. After the installation completes, the YouTube app will be available on your computer just like any other installed application. You can access it from your Start menu or taskbar, and it will function independently from your browser. This means you can enjoy your videos in a dedicated window without the distractions of browser tabs and extensions. And that's it! You've successfully installed the YouTube app on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.